Welcome fans to this unboxing of the Spin Master Monster Jam Nitro Neon 2-pack of Sparkle Smash vs. Max D. This was only at Walmart, and this is series number 3. Let's go ahead and check out the back of the package. We have Sparkle Smash vs. Max D on the back, as well as Son of a Digger vs. El Toro Loco. Let me go ahead and unbox Sparkle Smash and Max D. We are going to take a look at Sparkle Smash first of all. We get those green-looking tires, some kind of green-looking tires, as well as just a different coloring in the wheel itself, also the chassis, and the base of the truck is white, which is also the drivers. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the body itself. It does say Sparkle Smash Nitro Neon. The Monster Jam logo is on the truck, and there is some sparkle to the truck as well. I believe so. Let me go ahead and see if it comes up. No, not a whole lot. Some other trucks in this series had kind of like a sparkle to it. We might see it on Max D. The tail is blue, then it goes into a greenish, then you could go into yellow for its unicorn, and that is rubber. Also, his ears are rubber. It feels like everything really, yeah, so made out of rubber. But this part is actually, the horn itself is very flexible. So that is Sparkle Smash. And then I honestly got this 2-pack to pick up Max D. Max D, he has BKT lettering on the tires, and the beadlock rings are a different kind of color, and also the wheels are to match up with this Nitro Neon. The blue of the motor, that's different, and a pinkish looking base, and a black roll cage. Looking good with that. Now the big difference is, of course, the die-cast body itself to match up with what Tom Mintz ran at the Superstar Challenge back in November. Now it still has Max D, Maximum Destruction, Nitro Neon on the side of the truck, and the Monster Jam logo. Some of that is hard to make out. And also it has Max D, Maximum Destruction on the front, but that is also hard to make out as well. A lot of different coloring from the front to the back of the truck. That flame back here, I have a Monster Jam logo on the back, and blue tail lights on Max D. And then here is what Max D looks like there up top. Max D on the opposite side, what it looks like. And inside too, the mouth of Maximus, you see some coloring, and also in his eyes as well is different to match along with this Nitro Neon set of colors. So that is the unboxing of Sparkle Smash and Max D from the Nitro Neon set. Thank you for tuning in.